Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on hiding blocked accounts in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. Here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then go into settings and privacy. Here, if you scroll down again, we find privacy and safety. We tap on this. And then under your activity, we tap on content you see. Then we go into search settings. And here we find remove blocked and muted accounts. If we turn this on, then the X app isn't going to show us posts from accounts that we have blocked or muted. And if we turn this off, then the X app is going to just show these kinds of contents as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.